I just discovered a bot on Telegram that can make you cool amount of money, and trust me, as always, I have brought the update to you. And this is very important because if you're someone that is very conversant with updates, you realize that everything currently is shifting to the internet money era. That is where we currently are. Almost everything that people do right now is on the internet, and they're making serious amount of money from it. This is why if you look down your street, you notice that even that your hair vendor that is at the street now has a TikTok account where he or she uploads the work that she does there, and from there she gets customers. He or she, I mean. Now you also notice that even farmers are now going on internet spaces making videos. Even doctors, lawyers, almost everything right now is blowing up on the internet space. These people are not just doing this thing for anything. They are making serious amount of money from it. Even people with skills are now making money through something called remote jobs. So yes, narrative currently is internet, and I'm sure definitely you will not want to be left out. One of the applications that is now pushing this forefront is Telegram, as a lot of bots on it are doing amazing things, just as the bot that I have brought to you in this video. This bot is very simple to use, and it is for absolutely anybody at all. But let us still break down the categories of people that it is going to favor very well. The first categories are content creators, also coaches or educator. So if you're a coach or you educate people on things or you teach people on things, you need Tribute application if you have to do that. Also, it's available for private trading groups. Yes, if you're someone that has a private trading group, be it on Telegram, and then people want to join this private trading group, they have to pay some membership fee and all of the likes, you need Tribute bot on Telegram. Also, for exclusive communities, for instance, I have a Telegram channel. I could decide to make it an exclusive community whereby people have to pay to join that channel and get exclusive information and the likes. But currently, I don't do that. So my Telegram channel is free. If you want to join, check the description box of this video. I'll have dropped the link there so you can join and stay conversant with my updates. So paying attention, you notice that Tribute app pays you for what you are already doing, just that it makes it easier for you. And this is how it works. Let's say you have a product that you want to sell, or you have an online course that you want to sell. Instead of marketing it online and then telling people one by one, oh, I have this, then they have to come to your DM and pay you, you could automate it with Tribute on Telegram. So you set the amount there, they come, they pay. And once they pay, the product is being released to them. The interesting thing about these Tributes is that they are not requesting for payments from you. You don't have to pay to register. I'm going to be breaking down the registration process, as I'm going to be doing it in this video so that you see exactly what I'm talking about. But they are not going to require any payments from you. Although along the line, they're still going to require some commitment fee after you must have used it and benefited from it. If you're someone that have courses online that you want to sell, it is good for you. If you're someone that have a trading group, let's say a group on Telegram or a channel on Telegram, and then people have to pay to get membership access to this group, instead of them calling you, you could be sleeping and making money by automating it. So you set it, you connect it. Once these people come, or maybe you must have made a video on social media, wherever you must have promoted it. So you set the amount. Once they go there, they pay the money, and the access is unlocked to them automatically, even while you're sleeping. For easy registration process, check the description box of this video. I'm going to drop the link here. So once you tap on the link, it is going to redirect you automatically into your Telegram, where you can now join. And if you've watched this video up to this extent, it will be really nice of you to now like this video and probably drop a comment, and stay tuned, because in my next video I still have an update. In my last video I dropped an update for iPhone users alone, but in my next video I'm still going to be dropping an update that is generally for everybody, what people are currently doing to make money. So this is the application here. If you open it, this is what you're going to see on your screen first. It is verified by Telegram, as you can see. So the next thing you want to do is to tap on this next button, and then you click on start monetizing. Now, unlike what people would think, this application does not directly pay you money for doing nothing. So this is not one of these applications where you make money for nothing or whatsoever. You must have something you're rendering, something that you want to use the application for. So the first thing here you see is subscription. So you can create a private channel, and just in case, Telegram channels are now monetized. People are making money from Telegram channels currently. If you want me to make a video on that, let me know in the comment section. If I get a reasonable amount of comments, I'm going to be making a video on how to create a Telegram channel, get it monetized, and start making money from it. So this is it here. People can, if you have a channel, a private channel, like I've said, I want people to join, you could use it. If you also have a donation goal, yes, Let's say you have a goal, something you're donating towards, and you want your community members to donate. You could automate that with this donation goal in Tribute application. Easy. You could also have a product, like I've said before. If you have a product that you want to sell, or you have a services you want to render, digital service online and the likes, you can automate it here by using this segment. And for this last part is info product content. That is where this is where it comes to books, consultations, like let's say you render services online and the likes. So basically, now let me select this first one, which is subscription. I'm going to test it with my channel because I currently have a channel. My channel is a public channel, so this is what I'm going to do. Let's see, let's click on select channel. Currently this is my, I think there's another one loading here. So this is my only channel. For those of you that might have noticed, my old channel was banned. So if you're my old Telegram channel and you're just coming across this my video, do well to join this new one. My old channel was banned. I'm still trying to resolve that. I don't know what Telegram is doing about it. So let's tap on this my channel. Once you tap on it, it's going to request for admin services or admin permission or whatever you call it. So this is it here. I'm going to go ahead. Okay, I don't need to manage my, I don't need it to manage my live stream, so it is not going to be useful. Okay, it cannot manage. Yeah, what will I do? Ban users. I don't want it to ban users, and I don't want it to add new admin. So basically these permissions are okay. Let me now add it as an admin. Let's go ahead. You can see Tribute bot has been added as an admin. So let's go back into, in terms of the payments, let me select this USD payment. I saw somewhere that you could set the currency you want. I don't know if this has been set automatically for me. Okay, here is set in euros. Let's click on this payout. There is a part where they're going to also require you to do verification. Yes, there's a part they require you to do verification so that they can ascertain that you're a real human. That is where they request for your details, and but that is going to come out later. So that is basically the basics as to this application. Let me know if you want me to make further videos or further clarifications, or if you have any questions after watching this video, drop them in the comment section because I'm going to be responding to it. And if the problem is long enough, we'll probably be making a dedicated video towards it so that we can address the issue. Like I've said, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I upload a new video like this. Follow me on all my social media platforms to stay in touch.